Beginners are making over $4,000 daily on Pinterest by adapting to recent changes in the platform. This step-by-step tutorial covers how to start a Pinterest-based business with no upfront investment, experience, or need to show your face. Welcome back to my channel. In this step-by-step guide, I'm going to teach you how to find viral Pinterest pins and earn daily commissions, even if you're a complete beginner. You don't need a large following to succeed. I'll walk you through the process. First, you'll need to identify a niche using Trends, Pinterest.com. Start by researching different keywords based on trending products from platforms like TikTok or Amazon, or just brainstorm ideas. For example, if you're interested in bedroom decor, search for it and check its current trend status. If it's not popular, keep looking for other niches. I found that home inspiration and decor is currently trending, making it a great niche to explore. Next, go to Pinterest and search for your chosen niche, such as home decor, to see what content is gaining traction. For instance, a popular account called Love That Design has thousands of followers and gets 4.6 million views per month, potentially earning around $12,000 monthly. I'll show you how to legally use other people's images to grow your Pinterest account and monetize it. To start, create a profile with a banner, logo, and bio that reflect your niche. Use Canva.com, a free graphic design tool, to design these elements. Choose a template you like, customize it, and download it. Ensure your profile name includes the keyword you're targeting. For the bio, you can use tools like ChatGPT to craft a concise description, including relevant hashtags. Once your profile is set, find content by browsing social media platforms like TikTok or Instagram. Look for influencers in your niche and see which of their posts get the most engagement. For example, if you find an Instagram post with high engagement, use tools like Savinsta.app to download and re-upload these images to Pinterest, making sure to credit the original creator. This method can help you attract an audience and promote affiliate products, allowing you to start earning commissions. In this approach, I simply copy the username of an account and tag them on Pinterest. The key to earning money from your pins lies in the destination link. A creative way to monetize is by using a website like kit.co. On this platform, you can create a collection of products known as a kit that you don't own. These products are essentially affiliate links. To start, click the plus icon and create a kit, such as a classy bedroom decor. You can search for products like cozy room decor and add them to your kit. This is ideal for people browsing Pinterest for home decor inspiration. They can find all the products they need in one place. Add at least 5-10 products to make the kit comprehensive. Once your kit is set up, copy the link to share it and use this as the destination link on your Pinterest pin. You can create a board specifically for themes like cozy bedroom decor and save the pin there. When someone clicks on your pin, they'll be redirected to the kit store where they can purchase the items. You earn affiliate commissions through platforms like Amazon Associates. Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe for more info on Pinterest affiliate. Also, using a tool like Durable AI, you can quickly create an entire website and generate content, including affiliate marketing articles. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. 1. Generate content. With Durable AI, you can generate complete articles like one about a bedroom decor with just a click. These articles come with images and automatically inserted affiliate links. When users click these links from your Pinterest pins and make purchases, you earn a commission. 2. Set up the website. Start by creating a website using Durable AI. Select Affiliate Marketing Travel Blog as your business type, and in seconds, a website template will be generated for you. You can customize this site by changing colors, logos, and images to suit your brand. 3. Customize the design. Update the site's logo and images to match your niche. For example, you can replace stock images with specific bedroom pictures using platforms like Getty Images or Unsplash. 4. Publish and optimize. To publish your site, you may need to upgrade to the Pro version of Durable AI, which offers additional features like a blog post builder. Use this tool to create multiple affiliate marketing articles quickly. These articles will include affiliate links to products or services, which you can promote through your Pinterest pins. 5. Create and link Pinterest pins. Finally, generate and link Pinterest pins to these articles. Durable AI allows you to quickly create numerous pins, each leading to an article on your website. This method leverages AI to streamline content creation and website setup, making it easier to launch a profitable affiliate marketing campaign. To create a successful affiliate marketing article and Pinterest pin, you can follow these steps. Include engaging images and affiliate links. Create Pinterest pins. Go to Canva and search for a Pinterest templates with a strong call to action, CTA, such as click here to book. Use the bulk create feature in Canva to efficiently produce multiple pins. Copy the entire table of ideas from ChatGPT and paste it into Canva's bulk create tool. Customize the text styles, sizes, and colors to ensure the CTA stands out. Connect the data from your copied table to the relevant fields in the Canva template. By following these steps, you can efficiently create engaging affiliate marketing content and corresponding Pinterest pins, helping you drive traffic and increase conversions. Use SEO-friendly titles, descriptions, and keywords for each pin, as provided by ChatGPT. Upload the pins to Pinterest and create a relevant board like bedroom decor tips. Be sure to include the link to the corresponding affiliate marketing articles in each pin. This method leverages AI to streamline the creation of affiliate marketing content on Pinterest, enabling quick setup and potential immediate earnings from affiliate commissions. Are you ready to start your own Pinterest affiliate journey? Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like to see covered in a future video. Remember, with the right tools and strategies, you can turn your Pinterest boards into a profitable business. That's a wrap on our deep dive into Pinterest affiliate marketing. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights into making money online. Tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.